Looking after your website security is not a once-off activity that you do and then it's done, you can forget about it. It's an ongoing process that you need to continually do, update and monitor and check and harden up the security of your website on a regular basis. We do it every month for our support clients, but as well as those monthly activities, every year you should really do an audit, make sure that everything's up to best practice, make sure that you really have all of the security settings in place that you should, harden up everything, reset the passwords on all of the admin users in particular, make sure that you don't have any admin users in there that shouldn't be, those sort of things. So if you want us to do a review and harden up the security of your website, head over to tunedwp.com and we can do that for you. Cheers.